This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan apple pie. We'll start by exploring the essential ingredients for a truly delicious, plant-based dessert. You'll learn the secrets to crafting a perfectly flaky, tender crust without any animal products. Then, we'll dive into preparing a wonderfully spiced apple filling, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. Finally, I'll guide you through the baking process to achieve that irresistible golden brown finish. Get ready to impress everyone with your homemade vegan apple pie. Creating a flaky vegan pie crust is simpler than you might think. Begin by combining 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, cut in 1 cup of very cold vegan butter, using a pastry blender or your fingertips, until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Gradually add 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water, mixing gently until a cohesive dough forms. Remember to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out for the best results. Now, let's perfect that delicious apple filling. You'll want to peel, core, and slice about 6 to 8 medium-sized apples. Granny Smith or Honeycrisp varieties work wonderfully. In a large bowl, gently toss the sliced apples with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Stir in 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a tiny pinch of ground cloves for warmth. Finally, mix in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or cornstarch to help thicken the juices as it bakes. With your crust and filling ready, it's time for assembly. Roll out 1/2 of your chilled dough and carefully place it into a 9-inch pie dish. Pour the perfectly spiced apple filling evenly into the crust. For the top, roll out the remaining dough and either create a beautiful lattice design or a full top crust, remembering to cut a few vents. Crimp the edges to seal. Bake your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.